And boom, here we are, boys and girls. It's Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday night, Wednesday afternoon. It is the local A&W car show. It's pretty nice. I mean, every Wednesday night, now that it's nice out, people come out, show off the cars, while others are getting gas. I apologize for the wind noise. Look at this thing over here. I think it's pretty cool. Laid out suicide doors. Come on. Look at that thing. Stradman, there's your next car. Ah! You think I'm kidding? Purple is pretty cool. Suicide doors, uh-huh. Look at that. Next to trucks. Nice square body right here. Short bed. Blazer. With the top off. Come on. Wow! Look at that. 70s, 80s interior. Thing is awesome. I believe my friend out in New Jersey had one of these. Look at that thing. I believe my friend out in New Jersey did have one of those. Ben, parked right next to an Olds 88. Super. Look at this thing. Look at the headliner in that thing. It's ridiculous. They sure don't make cars like this anymore, boys and girls. Good. Look at that. The steering wheel's like the size of the Titanic compared to the steering wheels of nowadays. Jesus. Look at that thing. I mean, look at the diversity. From there to then we have a bug right here. Who does not like the bug? The roof rack is a nice touch, definitely. Look at the red interior. Oh, the thing is awesome. I'd be willing to bet you get so many smiles with this.
The guy did a nice job on the headlight.
Oh, I think
guy?
Huh?
Is there you a Volkswagen guy?
10 to 15, that's a good range. You can find that to this to,
Yeah.
you know, it all depends on like what quality you want. I mean, if you want something to work on, you know.
Yeah.
No, these are they're just cool. I have a all right, so I just talked to the owner of that thing right there. He's a really cool gentleman. So then next to that, you have a couple of vets. How can you not like this vet? I've always liked this year vet. I hear they ride for shit. Actually, I hear, but I do like the body style. Once again, look at that thing. It's like trying to turn the Titanic with that steering wheel, but it's so cool. The dually headlights right there are cool as shit. And that's something you just don't see nowadays. To then, next to an S10 that's just got a stupid amount of horsepower. Roll cage. Ooh. And then just in case you want a little bit more fun, got a bottle of nitrous in the back. Why not? This is very well set up. Nice Kirky seats. Nice Hurst shifter. Very nice setup. Oh, and look at that vet. It's driving by. Burgundy. Beautiful. All right, let's take a walk. So here we are back, boys and girls. Here's a really nice example of a Trans Am, but here we are. You want a Prowler? Here you are, 2001. It's pretty nice. It's for sale. If you would like to, there you are. It's a very nice color blue. Cool blue pinstripe. Automatic. You very rarely see these. That thing is pretty cool. Absolutely. All right, let's see what's across the parking lot here. Ooh. Is that a Javelin? No, maybe. Let's take a look. Nope, Camaro. Nice. Look at this thing. Ooh-wee. Cowl induction hood. It's got to be like a 75, 76. Looks like by the tail lights. A really nice example right here. Look at this Cadillac. Jesus. Look at that blue. Oh, even the headliner. Look at the size of that dash. And I know you can't smell through this, but it's original. They have that smell to them. If you guys know cars, you know what I'm talking about. They have a smell to them. Definitely 429. The biggest of biggest blocks. Very nice example. A very nice example. All right, right here on the end. Nice. So you greets everybody right when they come in. Walk in, drive in, come around the corner. Look at that. It's like I don't even know what color yellow that would be. Nice automatic. Once again, it's of the time period. You don't see that nowadays. And once again, I know you can't smell, but that is definitely an original interior. For those of you who don't know, the reason why they have the vinyl top is they could not fix the seam, so that's why everyone came with the vinyl top. The classic taillights, look at that. Bam. And look at there. Porsche. Look at that. Look at this thing. Look at this dash. Ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Hey. Gonna have to go over here. For sure. It's a nice example too. Green GS. Buick. This is nice. Cross-drilled and slotted rotors. Automatic. Nice example. Very nice. Look at this thing. Sweet. Look at this thing. Wow. Wow. And there's something you don't see every day. A Nova. When's the last time you seen a Nova? Can't tell you the last time I've seen one of them. And right over here we have a T-Bird. Nice T-Bird. See, and that's the thing about this. Look at, you get such a different perspective of all these different cars. Novas, Porsche. Oh. Under construction. Come on. Look at that. Oh. And then right here we have an El Camino. Looks like a 69, 70. Not sure what year on that one. That's nice. Automatic. Very nice example. Oh. Benz. Benzie. Woo. Look at that. Oh. Calm down now. Oh. Look at that. Look at his passenger. Scare the shit out of somebody. That green is very nice. Oh, what have we got here? Cadillac, big boy. Oh, look at this. Dog spot. Look at this. Nice. Look at that thing. That is awesome. Here we got a C8. those are kind of, they're still nice. For the money, how can you go wrong here? I mean, look at that. How can you go wrong with that? I believe this thing has been here a couple times. To then, look at the newest of the new to the oldest of the old. How can you not enjoy an afternoon out with that? Look at that. Oh, he's coming here. Gonna have to walk over here. He'll be coming over here. Talk about car spotting at its finest. Slug bug. Okay, where is he? He's coming. I know he is. Here, I'll pause it for a second. And boom, look at that. Best car spot right there. I'll just enjoy the noise. I wonder if he got his son with him today. Dude will find the spot. He always does. So on the way back from that, we got a Carmagia right here. Look at that thing. Once again, the roof rack, like with the bug over there, the roof rack here. Something you don't see. Actually, some of the people that I follow, they do the roof rack on theirs, on their Ferrari, like would just pulled in. Oh, what a glorious sound. Makes me want to get my Porsche fixed. Look at there, simple. Look at how the pedals are. You actually have to go like this with your foot. You don't push them in. You actually go like that with your foot. Be a different weird driving sensation. All right, where's that Ferrari? A nice Triumph Spitfire 1500. That's nice. Boom, bam. Look at the diversity. Oh, car spotting at its finest. We're gonna have to go back over here. I actually lost track because I heard him coming. Oh, baby. I'm gonna have to go take a look at that. Woo. Wish we can kind of maybe look at this. Thing's nice. Huh. I like this color purple. It's a 90s graphics. Look at that. Nice clean sanitary interior. Ah, the prancing horse. Nice. Look at that. It's very cool. Oh, nice. The center console up top. I don't know if this gentleman will get pissed off if I film his car or not. Oh, I just asked this gentleman if I could film his car. Awesome. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Wow. What we have here is a Ferrari 458, maybe? No, I don't even know what the fuck this is. It's a Ferrari. Oh, dealer. Aha. Dealer. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Now that's why I want to put the glass on the on mine so you can see that. Look at that. This thing sounds freaking nuts. The interior is ridiculous. Look at that thing. Okay, and if you know, the badge, if you get a Ferrari, don't get the sticker, get the badge. And the shield, I'm sorry, the shield. The shield costs more. That thing is ridiculous. Sounds fucking nuts. What is that? Oh, he's got pipes on it for sure. No wonder why it sounds ridiculous. Oh, yeah, it is a 458. Right there. 458 Italia. That interior is ridiculous. All right, kids, I gotta go. I gotta go back to normal cars. Not normal cars, but normal cars. Because who has one of those every day? Not everybody. As I said, when this thing came by, the thing would be fun to go cruising in. Are you crazy? And that's the diversity of this. You see stuff like that, to stuff like that. And he came just chugging along in. I mean, how cool would this be to go cruising around in this? Doesn't matter if you can only go 35 miles an hour, it'd still be cool to go cruising around in. Look at here. Come across a 63 Vet, split window. I know somebody has been looking for one of these since he's been a kid, even though he's never had one. Stick, 4-speed, nice. That's a really nice example right there. Absolutely. Look at that. And then there, next to that, look at, see the diversity in that? That's a nice color blue, for sure. Like, it's got the knockoffs on it. So for those of you who don't know, that was only made in 1 year. Apparently that was an obstruction, from what they say. I mean, look at that steering wheel. That's what I'm talking about. They don't make cars like this anymore. Blue on blue. To then, next to this thing. To next to a boat. I mean, look right here in your diversity. Over there you got a 458. You got a 1918 whatever. You got a truck right here. You got a 63 split window. You got a 88 Delta 88 next to a 55 Chev. Oh, what's this guy gonna do when he leaves? Huh. Right, low and slow. A chick driving it too. A chick driving it. Get the fuck out of here. And we're back, boys and girls. How about going to get coffee and this? Mom, Dad, I'm gonna take that out to go get coffee. How about that? No? Just to go get eggs. Oh. 671 Huffer on it, looks like. Ooh, I bet you this bitch goes. What are you thinking, like 700 horsepower? And maybe a 2,000 pound car? Next to a GTO. If you look at that, you can actually see the 3 deuces right there, which is 3 2-barrels for those of you who don't know. It's like a wineberry. I don't know if it's coming across on camera, but it's a wineberry. And again, they don't have steering wheels that ginormous anymore. Next to diversity like this. And we are back. Would this be considered sherbet orange? I'm not sure on that. But the front end on these things are ridiculous. How could you not like that? That means get the fuck out of my way. I mean business. And who would ever think like pink and orange and blue would go together? Nice 4-speed. The only thing I don't like on this is they could have color matched the bumper. I think that would be, I mean, it's still nice. Still very nice. One of the Judge. I would very much like to have me one of these. We're talking bucket list, baby. And back in the 70s, they had wings, and they actually worked. Another cool feature of this car is the little hood tack. How cool would that be to be able to look out there and see your tack? It's got to be pretty cool. Slug-a-bug mug. Root beer, that is. Mug root beer. Another beetle. Ooh, got a Bronco rolling in. Look at that thing. Smile. Where's this guy going? Because this thing is pretty cool. Oh, Bronco? Something, maybe? Sorry, the sun is killing me right now. I'm not sure if he even knows where to go. We'll get back to you. And look at this spot. It's a BMW of some sort. What is this thing? That's pretty neat. Sorry people, I'm not up on my my BMWs. Look at that little front shock right there. That thing. Bet you that thing rides pretty amazing. Hey, bet you it rides just as good as my BMW. Car, that is. All right, here we are. I got this rolling in as it came through. Look at this little Sunny. Look at this little thing. And we used to throw these cars way back in the day. Do you think we're disposable? Now people are, well, that's probably why they're so sought after nowadays. People want to relive their youth. And look at the 1980s. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Look at that thing. 1980s. Big time. Ooh. Somebody's getting a little hostile over there. Well, boys and girls, I think this might be it. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. And be well, my friends.